الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazia Zahir. I am the English teacher in the Educator Farooq Class campus. Welcome in the new session. We are starting our new session 2021 to 22. Today is my first lecture of class 7 English. Let's start our class. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Well, today's my topic is transitive verb. As you know very well, what is verb? A verb is definitely an action. An action describes that is it transitive or intransitive. We need to know how can we recognize a transitive verb. Which verb is transitive? Actually, a verb that has an object. A verb that has an object is transitive verb. As I told you that a verb that has an object is a transitive verb. Here are some examples. Example number 1 is I threw the pen on the floor. I threw is a verb. How can we recognize that this verb is transitive or intransitive? We need to know that either it has an object or not. Obviously, when we go ahead to the further explanation, we will come to know that I threw what? I threw the pen. It means the pen is object here. Here, hence it's clear that the sentence has an object with a verb. It means that this verb threw is a transitive verb here. Example number 2 is I am teaching English. In this sentence, I is the subject, teaching is a verb, and English is object. I am teaching what? English. It means the verb teaching is a transitive verb. Example number 3, the child plays cricket. The child is a subject in the sentence, plays is a verb in this sentence, and cricket. The child plays what? Cricket is object. Hence, it is clear this sentence also has an object. It means the verb plays here is a transitive verb. Well, now we are learning intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? When a transitive verb has an object. So we will go on the opposite of that. An intransitive verb does not have an object. Got it? For example, in transitive verb, I wrote in example, I threw a pen. But here, I have written the same example, I threw. Is a complete sentence, I threw. But what I threw, I did not mention it. It means this sentence is incomplete predication. It means that this verb, threw, doesn't have any object. To complete the meaning of the sentence, I required an object and it doesn't have an object. I threw what? Nothing. Nothing is mentioned here. It means the verb threw is an intransitive verb here. In example number 2, I is a subject and teach is a verb. This is a complete sentence, but this is a complete sentence with incomplete predication. Because this sentence is not telling us that what I teach. I teach what? It is not mentioned here. Here means that teach is an intransitive verb. In example number 3, the child plays. Obviously, the child is the subject and plays is the verb. This is a complete sentence with incomplete predication. It means that this sentence does not have an object. The child plays what? Is not mentioned here. It means the verb plays is an intransitive verb. Well, we are learning how to maintain our copy for the new session. This is the educator's copy. First page is of index. What is our first topic? Our first topic is What we learned today? Transitive verb, intransitive verb. Date is what? Today is 3rd May. Like this. This is the first page of our copy. Here we will start first term pointer. This is the next page. Here we will maintain the title page of our topic. Transitive and intransitive verb. In the next page, I am making you a reminder. We maintain a margin line here. We maintain a header. We have drawn the margin and we have made the pointer here to write down our topic. Topic is transitive verb, exercise number A, TGT page number 22. TGT page number 22. This is our classwork. Here we will write down classwork. Here we will write down TGT page number 22. Here we will write down the date 3rd May 21. Now we will start working our exercise A. Let's see what is it asking. Identify the verb in the sentence given below. First we have to identify the action verb. Write Y means yes. Y stands for yes here. For verbs that require an object. And N stands for no. For the verbs that do not. Means we have to tell whether the verb requires an object, yes or no. Let's read sentence number 1. The baby smiled in its sleep. The baby smiled. It has no object. It means no. Example number 2. The man slept well. Here we have to write actually why. Means this sentence required an object, yes. Why? The man slept well. What the man slept? Well. It requires an object too. Why? In example number 3, he was snoring loudly. It requires an object. He was snoring what? There is no object. It means this sentence also required an object. So I wrote why here. Why for yes. Those boys are singing song. Those boys is a subject. Singing is a verb. And song is an object. It means it has an object. So this sentence required no object. So I will write here no. These girls are playing hockey. These girls is a subject. Playing is a verb. And what are they playing? Hockey. It means this is the object. It means this sentence also doesn't require. So I wrote no and here. The clown laughed aloud. The clown laughed what? So it means this sentence also required yes. We have to complete this entire exercise like this. So you will complete this exercise in the copy. As I told you, the copy maintenance, you will have to follow all the rules which I made you teach before a couple of minutes. Now we will go for the homework. Student, this is our homework. First we have to maintain the term pointer as I told you in the copy maintenance. After that you will make the title page of transitive and intransitive verb about the topic. Next you will maintain the lecture as you do in the class. You will maintain the lecture with a pencil, whatever the explanation you learned there, and then the classwork TGT page number 22 exercise A, in which you wrote Y for yes and N for no. Your homework is TGT page number 23 exercise B. Now class, we have completed our class. Allah Hafiz. We will meet